Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock swing icons 31, 32, 35, 36, and 43. So let's start with the first step, which is access the new swing icon kit. So just open your icon kit from the main menu, navigate to the swing tab, which is the icon that looks like a small ship with a circular trail. So this is where you can track your which icons you're missing. So to unlock 31, 32, 35, 36, and 43, you will need to visit three different areas of the game. So just a pro tip, if you hover over to a locked icon, the game will often give you a cryptic hint about its location. So for the step number 2 is to collect moons for swing 31 and 32. So these two are rewarded for mastering platformer mode. So you earn moons by completing levels found in the tower or the platformer search tab. So for swing 31, it requires 1,000 moons. For swing 32, it requires 2,000 moons. And just a tip for you, the tower level. First, they offer the fastest moon to time ratio for beginners. Next is visit the mechanic and diamond shops. So this is for swing 35 and 36. So for these, you need to head to the secret shops located in the treasure room. So the swing 35, you just have to go to the mechanic's shop. So he looks like a robot, so it costs around 4,000 mana orbs. For swing 36, you have to go to the diamond shop. So you just have to go to the scratches shop and then it costs 1,000 diamonds. Next is use keys in the treasure room. So this is for swing 43. So swing 43 is a lock base and lock found inside the silver treasure chests. So you need to collect 5 mana keys. So these are earned every 500 orbs to open these chests in the treasure room. Lastly is confirm and customize. So once unlocked, you have to return to your icon kit and select your new swing icon and choose your colors. So these icons look best with the glow effect and able to make the neon lines pop up during gameplay. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!